Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's August the 21st, 2022. We're going to talk about Bitcoin today. You guys can see that 2 days ago, the price in Bitcoin did a monumental move to the downside, which is right here on the 19th of August. Market fell 10% and Bitcoin price crash. What now, right? Everyone will be questioning, okay, are we going to continue to see Bitcoin's price go lower or will we not? I'm going to talk about that today on today's video. Now, before I do, as always, before I get started on the video, if you guys appreciate the videos that I do produce, you guys find it very beneficial to at least know how someone else thinks about where price is going to go. I want you all to join me in this venture as we continue to track where prices are going to go so that we can be in position and capitalize off of the move. This is the only place that we give it to you all real, right? If the market's going to go down, we'll predict that. If it's going to go up, we'll predict that as well. So I just want to make sure that we play both sides of the fence because I want to show you all that we can actually make money wherever the price goes. So you guys want to join me, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to my channel. Now, real quick, I usually try to come back and talk about what the price has done in relation to my original idea. So here we go. You guys can see on July the 20th, I was already expecting the price of Bitcoin to move higher in price. And we can say that it has done that. The price in Bitcoin did move higher, but it has been a very hard struggle for the market in Bitcoin to go up. It's been a very hard struggle. Now, the buyers attempted to move the market higher, and they did. And I told you all on numerous occasions on the videos that I've produced that we could possibly see the market in Bitcoin get rejected right here. Okay. And that is literally where the market topped out at. So we should not be surprised that the market in Bitcoin on the 19th of August fell down 10%, because right here on this particular day, the 15th, so we have 4 days notice that the market in Bitcoin was weak way before the market fell 10% on the 19th. 4 days. So hopefully you all was able to grab that profitability into the market in Bitcoin on the 15th, because if so, there's only 6%. I get it. This is how we have to move in the cryptocurrency space. We simply had to get what the market is offering to us. And at that particular moment, there's only giving us 6%. So congratulations to those who was able to grab the profitability then, because we need to talk now. Okay, what now? What can we expect into the market in Bitcoin? Well, first things first. Okay, let me go ahead and show you all that the trend in Bitcoin has been broken. Okay, the overall trend, overall momentum in Bitcoin has been broken. You guys can see right here that the price in Bitcoin broke the overall trend. Now, we started this upward move in Bitcoin since mid-June of 2022. And for us to see price break this trend line tells us that this market is generally weak now. So we should not be massively bullish. We should not be expecting the price of Bitcoin to run to like $30,000 right now, all because of us seeing price break this trend line. Okay, that's all the information we need to know. The market is already speaking and telling us, hey, you guys might want to pump the brakes on looking for Bitcoin to move higher, for real. And another thing I wanted to show you all here on the weekly chart is that Bitcoin here is showing rejection, right? So this has been the second consecutive week, might I add, that Bitcoin's price has gotten rejected here. Okay, we got rejected last week, the prior week, August the 8th, and we're showing rejection again this week. Now, this current weekly price bar is very wide though. This current weekly price bar is literally taking out all of the people who bought Bitcoin, who supported Bitcoin's price right here at $22,500. If the market in Bitcoin was able to close above that, then I would still be bullish. I'll just keep it real. If the market in Bitcoin was able to close up here, okay, around $22,500, I will be bullish. Now, we still have 8 hours. So yes, anything can change over the next 8 hours, but currently, looking at this weekly price bar right here, we have to play a little bit more weakness. We have to think a little bit more bearish than bullish. Okay. Take a look at Bitcoin here on the 2-week chart. Again, we're still seeing that the market in Bitcoin is generally weak. Now, it doesn't mean that Bitcoin is going to plummet down to $5,000, right? What we're seeing right now is indicative of weakness and more people selling out of their position in Bitcoin. But generally, we are understanding that the market is not bullish anymore. So we're going to have to play with the market. This is what we need to expect now going forward until we see the next instance that buyers are going to step into the market in Bitcoin. Okay, this is Bitcoin on the 3-weekly chart. And again, we're still showing that the market in Bitcoin is weak. Now, my intention For Bitcoin, it's going to be for us to see the buyers come into the market right here again. Okay, so that is what, around $20,000. That's the next hurdle. For us to get confirmation that Bitcoin is going to maintain its price level from where we've been the last couple of weeks. Bitcoin falls below $20,000. We need to be massively bearish. I'm just going to give you all that heads up right now. We need to play the massive bearish side into the market in Bitcoin if that happens. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and drop a price prediction into the market in Bitcoin. I'm going to play the weakness, but I'm not going to be extremely weak right now. I'm still going to expect price in Bitcoin to fall, especially since we saw price get rejected here at $25,500, and the fact that price currently is breaking this ascending line, which I've created. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this on the chart real quick. Take this out into October. Now, currently, I do suspect that buyers are going to attempt to hold this price, though. I don't think that they're going to try to lead the market in Bitcoin. And we're going to look for the price to come down here towards like $19,800, maybe around $20,000. Okay, $20,000 is going to be the first price target that I'm going to look for Bitcoin to run down towards. Okay, you guys can see that's what, 6.86%. Then my second level is going to be down here, which is around 18,900. That gives us around 12% movement to the downside. And then ultimately my third one is all the way back down here to the low that came in on June 18th. Okay. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart, make it look a little bit better, and bring this back over to like the 20th of September. So this is it. Now I'm going to keep this ascending line here because I want us to pay attention. If we see price in Bitcoin get rejected in or around this ascending line, check this out. Okay, because the market in Bitcoin is trying to break back up above this ascending line. We can see that. Now, if it doesn't happen, we understand that we're still sitting idle. We're still sitting good in our idea that price in Bitcoin is going to go down. So if we see the market in Bitcoin do this, it's trying to break higher, but it doesn't. We understand that the weakness is still controlling the market. Okay, so I'm going to hold that line there because I want to use that as a reference point as we continue to see the market price trade in Bitcoin. So that is it. It is your turn. Go ahead and drop me a quick price target or a price prediction into the market for Bitcoin. Where do you all think the price is headed? Currently, I'm thinking that the price is going down. I have given you all my 3 price targets, albeit I'm not going to be massively weak right now because I do see on yesterday's trading that the buyers are definitely trying to come into the market right now. So right here, these 2 3-hour price bars right here, we're noticing this is where the buyers are coming into the market in Bitcoin, right there around 20,800. So I get it. In the hourly time frame, we can actually see price in Bitcoin go up. But my price prediction is from a daily perspective, i.e. also looking from a weekly time frame. So yes, if you wanted to play this on an intraday basis, I would be bullish right now in Bitcoin, looking for the price to continue to move higher. But I won't be massively bullish, okay? Because the long term, we're seeing this is where the weakness is being garnered and generated. All right, so that is it. Give me your idea. Let me know what you all think. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.